Hillsborough County judge has ordered the suspect charged in connection with a deadly road rage shooting to be held without bond until his trial.
Also today, for the first time, videos of the incident were presented in court. And News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson, he's live in downtown Tampa to explain.
Good evening, Stacey and Keith. Well, there were some tense moments in court today as friends and family of 26-year-old Kentavious Golston saw and heard evidence in this case for the first time, and they were not happy about it or the proceedings today. The 26-year-old Golston is accused of shooting and killing 61-year-old Stephen Powers after the two had an argument in traffic. The incident happened on October 27th at 2:30 in the afternoon on a busy US 301 near Bloomingdale Avenue. Video from a dash camera from a car that we saw today shows a car driven by Golston cut off a van driven by the victim. The video then shows Golston slam on his brakes at least twice in front of the victim's van. Both vehicles stop, and a Hillsborough County detective describes in court what happens next.
At which point the defendant draws his firearm from his right pocket, points it at the victim, and fires 2 shots.
Family members of the victim were visibly upset. They could be heard crying in court today as that detective describes how the victim was shot at least 6 times, one of those shots traveling up to his brain and killing him there on the street. The defense says this is a clear case of self-defense because the victim got out of his car first and aggressively approached Golston, even trying to throw a punch to him, but Golston threw him to the ground and then shot him in the back. The judge disagreed with the defense, saying that this was a senseless act, and she ordered Golston to be held without bond until his trial.
So, Jeff, do we know why the victim got out of his van in the first place?
This was just 2 men who were very angry at each other in traffic. The victim was cut off by Golston. The video shows that. Then Golston brake checks him a couple of times. Then the victim's van hit the back of Golston's car, and we presume that's why both men then got out of their cars. Initially, Golston told his defense attorney that he thought they were going to exchange information, but that didn't happen. This whole thing, by the way, went down in less than 20 seconds. By the time they got out of the car, shots were fired, and then Golston drives off. Stacey, just an incredible scene that we saw today play out on video.
Wow. Jeff Patterson live in Tampa. Thank you.